May 11th, 1993, 4 a.m. I get yanked out of my warm and cozy bed. Along with my family, we get escorted to a bus, surrounded by these huge, scary-looking men with machine guns. Scared to death, I asked my dad, "What's going on?" In a calm voice, he told me, "Don't worry, son, we'll be okay." I was born in the ex-Soviet Union. In the early 90s, the Soviet Union started to crumble, and it was like the wild, wild west. There was no official government, no law enforcement. Mafia was controlling everything. Being Jewish made things even more dangerous. Most were forced to flee. Unfortunately, back then, there was no option to ship your belongings. There was no PayPal, no Venmo, no Bitcoin that would allow you to transfer your money safely. You had to sell everything you ever owned and then carry all that cash with you on a 5-day journey to the airport. That made everyone an easy target to the criminals, just like a sitting duck. Many got robbed on the way, and if they wouldn't give up their money and jewelry easily, they'd get beaten, raped, and murdered. My father knew this and didn't want us to be an easy target for the criminals. He did not want to be a sitting duck. He decided not to wait, but be proactive. He went out and hired a security company, basically a bunch of mercenaries, on our 5-day journey to protect us to the airport. As the bus door closed and we started to drive away, I looked into one of those guys' eyes, wearing black military boots, jeans, black leather jacket, Rambo-style knife hanging on his belt, machine gun in his hands. His eyes had no life, no fear. They were dark and scary. I couldn't help but wonder, are they really going to protect us or kill us? My father was proactive and hired protection for us. We were very fortunate. We made it to the airport safely and without incident. When I started my cybersecurity company, I realized that businesses are just like the immigrants fleeing the Soviet Union, like I was, vulnerable to cyber criminals, employee mistakes, and compliance regulations. Everything you worked so hard for could be gone with a single mouse click. Till this day, I still wonder, what would have happened if my father wasn't proactive and did not hire the security company to protect us? Would we make it safely to the airport? The internet is the new wild, wild west. It's controlled by cyber criminals, except instead of guns, they use smartphones. Instead of riding horses, they ride electric scooters and Teslas. As a business owner, you need protection against inside and outside threats. Today, more than ever, our clients don't have to worry about cyber criminals, compliance challenges, or employee mistakes. Our clients are protected because they want to be proactive. They now have peace of mind and can focus on their business, their life, their family, and their legacy. Don't let cyber criminals or someone's "oh shit" moment take your business, your life, your family, and your legacy away. You too can have peace of mind. Don't be a sitting duck. Be proactive. Go to ismycompanysecure.com to get started.